the Central.
Hey, I want to go to Central Dog's Luxury Daycare. How can I do that? Help me.
Chill! I'm gonna teach you how. Don't worry.
Step 1.
Pretend you are sick. It's important to get sick at 2 a.m. It will be more effective that way.
Step 2.
Stop eating. You have to be faithful to your character.
But I love eating.
You have to make sacrifices if you want to go to Central Dogs. And wake up your mom. She must take you to the Central Animal Hospital first.
Step 3.
Let mom call Central Animal Hospital and schedule an appointment with the doctor. Don't panic. You'll get to Central Dogs very easily this way.
Step 4.
Your mom is going to take you to the clinic in your car, and that's all. Easy, right?
But wait, how do I know where is the place?
Oh, right. I'm going to show you. There it is. Central Animal Hospital, the best pet clinic in Boca Raton. You will get there if you go by Royal Palm Road. It is just 2 minutes from Boca Raton Elementary School. Here's the address.
Step 5.
Go to the entrance of the clinic. It's the black door. Remember, act sick, always in character.
Step 6.
The receptionists are going to welcome you and your mom at the entrance. They're super sweet. Be friendly and let them get you to the doctor's office.
Step 7.
The doctor is going to check you, and they're going to know 2 things. Number 1, you are suffering from something very common lately in Boca Raton, the desire to come to Central Dogs. And number 2, they're going to know that you are a good boy and you are in good health.
But what if my mom gets mad?
Remember that we are cute. It's time to use our best weapons. Head on her chest and puppy face. She won't be able to resist.
Step 8.
Your mom is going to say, "Since we are here, let's go and check Central Dog's Luxury Daycare." Go to the right of the main building of Central Animal Hospital Clinic. There, you will find a white facade and a door with a cute iron puppy at the entrance. That's where your new adventure begins. From here, they know what to do.